Hello friends, welcome to my channel and today I am back with new Diwali activity. So like my video if you love it and subscribe my channel. So let's start. So now we will take these two squares. I have taken origami and one orange disc. So first we have to make a fan. So we have to do like this. So today we are making a Diwali wall hanging. So for that first we will make a with fan. So we will make it. You can take any color of your choice. I am taking pink color. Always take bright colors for Diwali activities. It looks bright and shining. My one fan is ready. So I have made it one more fan like this one. Now what we have to do is we have to fold it. Now we have to fold it. So now we have to fold it like this. Okay, and we have to put Fevicol. We will take one more because we need two fans. So now our two fans are ready. Now we will take Fevicol and we'll put it like this and we'll paste it. So see, this fan is ready. So our diya is ready. Now I am taking strip and put it the Fevicol so that it can create a strong balance. So like this I have pasted, and now we will take this orange law that we have to make like this. We have to make the diya like this. So now we will take this and we'll make the fan. It's ready. It's ready. So now our diya and our law is ready. Now we will just paste it like this. So I have pasted it. You can paste it with a 3D tape or any other pasting material. You have to make it as like it 4. I have made it one. And see, I have made it one blue because this is the main diya. So now prepare this type of circle of any color sheet. You can take origami also if you don't have, or any other paper. So now we have to decorate it. So for it I am taking some sticker flowers. So now we will paste it. So first take So now we will paste it and see, it is looking very beautiful, and we will paste all like this. So now I have made it this space, and now we will paste the mirrors. So now we will just put the Fevicol and we will paste it. So now we will take this type of ribbon. You can take any ribbon, any normal ribbon or ribbon tape. Now what we have to do is, we will keep this ribbon also from here, because we have to hang it on a nail. Okay, so and from the back we have to do like this. Paste the main diya that I had made it of blue color. Now we have to not cut this ribbon, because now we will paste another diya. Okay, so we will put a little favicol and here, and we will paste it. Now we have to cut it. Okay, so we will take the scissor, and now we will paste 2 ribbons here. So we will take it and we have to paste it from this middle and this middle. We have to paste the ribbon like this. So now you have to take the ribbon long from this diya, and now we will paste the second one. At the end of the ribbon, we will paste it. Now the another ribbon we will take, and then we will put the favicol in this also. And we will so now our this wall hanging is ready. Now this is ready. As you can see, it's looking very beautiful. So bye friends.